Hey, fourth, fifth graders, and third graders too. A new game for you to play. Again, this one's called Place Value Face Off. So, again, regular deck of cards. You're going to split the deck of cards between the two people that are playing. And again, jacks, queens, kings, and the 10 this time are going to be worth a 0 because we're going to be using the cards as digits to create large numbers to compare greater than or less than, depending on how you want to play the game. So once you split the deck, I would say for my third graders, maybe flip over 4 cards and you keep them in the sequence that they come out as, no, reconfiguring. For my fourth and fifth graders, since you're supposed to be reading numbers up to hundred thousands and millions and beyond, maybe you could lay out 5 or 6 cards. And potentially you might even want to use 2 decks of cards for this, because if we're using 5 or 6 cards, that's going to use the cards up pretty quickly. But here's how you're going to do it. You're going to split the cards decks in half, and you're going to put out your first 4 cards from each deck. And both players are going to look at what they got, and they are going to decide out of the 2 numbers either which one is the greater one or which one is the least of the 2. So if I'm going to play with the number that's greater is going to be the one that wins the round. The first player got a 1, a 6, a 1, and a 2. Those aces are 1s again. And the player 2 got a 3, an 8, a 3, and a 3. So read those numbers out loud, practice them, and the player with 3,833 would get the larger of the 2 quantities. So I would like them to practice saying something like this. 3,833 is greater than 1,612. Those cards get removed from the playing surface. And at this time, we're going to tally mark the person that got the greater number out of the 2. Or again, if you agree to play for the least value at the beginning, the person that gets the least, tally mark that. Play until the cards are gone or until somebody gets to 10 tally marks. So have fun reading and comparing those large numbers.